Is your Steam stuck in offline mode and won't go online? I've got the solution to get you back in the game. Stay tuned for a quick fix. The first thing you should check is that the Steam servers are not down at the moment. If you find out that the current status of the Steam servers is down, there is nothing much you can do about it. You will have to wait for Steam servers to be up again to go online on Steam. Firstly, open the Steam client. Now, go to Settings and then click on the Downloads option from the left side pane. Next, tap on the Clear Download Cache button. Firstly, click on the taskbar Search button and type Internet Options in the search box. After that, go to the Advanced tab and scroll down to the security listings. Now, uncheck the option called Enable Enhanced Protected Mode. Next, restart your system and then launch Steam to check if the problem is fixed or not. Firstly, move to the Steam shortcut on your computer and press the right-click on it. Next, navigate to the Shortcut tab. After that, write TCP after the quotation mark in the target field. Firstly, open the command prompt on your system. Now, enter the following commands 1by1.